Sewing and repair vocabulary. Needle.
Sewing tool.
Thread the needle. Thread.
Thin string.
Cut the thread. Fabric.
Cloth material.
Fold the fabric. Scissors.
Cutting tool.
Cut the fabric. Measuring tape.
Measuring tool.
Measure the cloth. Pin.
Small metal fastener.
Pin the fabric together. Pin cushion.
Pin holder.
Put the pin in the pin cushion. Button.
Clothing fastener.
Sew on a button. Zipper.
Sliding fastener.
Zip up the jacket. Velcro.
Hook and loop fastener.
Fasten the Velcro. Patch.
Fabric piece for repair.
Sew on a patch. Seam.
Joined fabric edge.
Check the seam. Hem.
Folded fabric edge.
Hem the pants. Stitch.
Sew with thread.
Stitch the fabric. Sew.
Join with needle and thread.
Sew the shirt. Knot.
Tied loop.
Tie a knot. Tie.
Make a knot.
Tie the thread. Untie.
Open a knot.
Untie the knot. Cut.
Divide with scissors.
Cut the thread. Trim.
Cut neatly.
Trim the fabric. Measure.
Find the size.
Measure the length. Mark.
Make a sign.
Mark the fabric. Repair.
Fix something.
Repair the torn shirt. Man.
Repair a tear.
Mend the hole. Fix.
Make something work.
Fix the zipper. Replace.
Put in a new one.
Replace the button. Attach.
Join together.
Attach the patch. Remove.
Take away.
Remove the old thread. Rip.
Tear apart.
Rip the seam. Iron.
Remove wrinkles.
Iron the shirt. Steam.
Use steam to smooth.
Steam the fabric.